Hi, my name is Morgan Goldsmith. I'm a registered nurse and Director of Clinical Services for Hospi Corporation. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the LiquiPill system. The LiquiPill was developed as a way to crush up medications into a fine powder so you're able to mix water with the medication to form a suspension. Once in suspension form, it's very easy to deliver these medications through devices such as the Macy Catheter, G-tubes, or J-tubes. Please note, it's important to follow your agency's protocol for crushing and grinding medication. The main component of the LiquiPill system includes the grinder, the cap, and the medication reservoir. In addition, some kits will have a water reservoir, a syringe adapter cap, and a graduated medicine cup. Taking the tablet that you would like to crush, you simply put it in one of the two slotted openings. Second, simply move the grinder back and forth like a pepper mill to crush the medication into a fine powder. The grinder is very easy to move back and forth and was designed with caregivers of all ages in mind. You will know the medication is completely ground because the grinder gets smooth and quiet. And as you can see here, the medication has been ground into a really fine powder. So now you're ready to add a little bit of water. Taking your 10 ml enteral syringe, you'll put it on top of the syringe adapter cap. I just put in room temperature tap water into this water receptacle. I'm going to pull back 10 mLs of the tap water and simply put it on top of the medication reservoir and inject. Next, I'll just swish and swirl for about 10 seconds. This makes sure that the medication is fully in suspension form as you get ready to give it via the Macy Catheter. So next, you'll draw up the 10 ml suspension, and you're ready to administer via the Macy Catheter. It is important to note that you will want to have a 3 ml quick flush to follow that to make sure that all the medication gets through the Macy Catheter. That's all there is to utilizing our LiquiPill system. For more information, please visit macycatheter.com. Thank you so much for your time.